Natural gas is efficient and safe when contained, but a slow, hidden leak can be a silent danger in your home. Knowing the subtle signs can protect your family and property. Here is how to spot one. The most obvious sign is the smell. Gas companies add a chemical called mercaptan to natural gas, giving it that distinct rotten egg or sulfur odor. If you smell this constantly, even faintly, near an appliance, you likely have a leak. Use your ears. Go to your gas appliances, like the stove or water heater, and listen carefully. A leak from a loose connection or a damaged pipe can sometimes create a faint, continuous hissing or whistling sound. Keep an eye on your indoor vegetation. Natural gas blocks a plant's ability to absorb oxygen. If your houseplants are wilting, turning yellow, or dying unexpectedly, especially those near a gas line, it could be due to a leak in the air. Pay attention to your body. Long-term exposure to a slow leak can cause physical symptoms like frequent headaches, dizziness, nausea, or fatigue. If you feel sick at home but better when you leave, gas could be the culprit. If you suspect a specific connection, mix a little dish soap with water and apply it to the pipe joints. If bubbles start to form and grow, gas is escaping. However, never try to fix this yourself. Gas leaks are not a DIY project. If you suspect a leak, evacuate the area immediately and call the professionals. For expert gas line testing, repair, and safety inspections, contact Black Mountain Plumbing. Visit blackmountainplumbing.com today.